A recent report from plagiarism detector CopyLeaks has revealed that 60% of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 outputs contain some form of plagiarism. If you're harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create content, products, and deliver information-based services, you may be shocked to find out that A, you could be plagiarizing others' work, and B, AI-generated material isn't protected by copyright laws. Which means anyone with the right tech know-how can quickly detect, then copy any work generated by AI, to then sell at a fraction of the price and pass it off as their own, and you have no legal recourse to stop it. Information-based products or services are the currency of our era, but without copyright, they're worthless. There are 3 important things that you must understand that we're going to dive into in this video. You see, there is a right and a wrong way to use generative AI. That's why I have a free AI success kit you can download from the link in the description and my bio below. It even includes a free chapter from my brand new book that just came out this past Tuesday called The Wolf is at the Door, to help you navigate the AI revolution. But first, I want you to think of copyright as an invisible shield. It defends the originality of content crafted by marketers, designers, consultants, authors, and of course you. It guards your hard-earned profits, incentivizing originality and ensuring innovation doesn't go unrewarded. This is important to know, especially if you're an employee for a company or you're a service-based business and you're producing content on behalf of your clients that requires copyright protection for them to financially benefit and for them to have legal protection from ripoffs. Daniel Gervais, a professor at Vanderbilt Law School, makes this point clear. He told website Built-In, if a machine and a human work together, but you can separate what each of them has done, then copyright will only focus on the human part. The US Copyright Office offered guidance on AI-generated content in March of last year, in which it said, copyright can protect only material that is the product of human creativity. Why is this both important and urgent to understand? Firstly, using purely AI-generated content devalues your product or services as anyone has the right to replicate it. Secondly, companies will start implementing policies that require employees and consultants' work to be run through AI checkers to ensure they're publishing with integrity and to test the legitimacy and the ability to protect the content produced. Thirdly, they'll be required to use these tools to ensure they don't infringe on others' copyrights themselves. And this last piece is critical. Business Insider just reported that Amazon employees have been warned for the second time against using third-party generative AI tools for this reason. But their warning went even further, telling employees not to share confidential information with third-party tools. They're concerned that any outputs such as emails, code, confidential information, and strategy may be extracted, reviewed, used, and distributed by the owners of generative AI. The concern stems from AI companies potentially claiming the rights to the model's results themselves, which to be honest is rich, considering it's now clear that OpenAI and other AI models have been trained on copyrighted material without incentivizing those who hold the copyright. Put simply, it's the Wild West out there right now. If you want to learn how to use AI the right, not the wrong way, click the link below to download the free AI Success Kit and order your copy of The Wolf is at the Door today. It's even received praise from marketing maverick Amy Porterfield. Get ready, because things are about to get wild.